Hey Chloe, what you doing?
Cutting green beans. Hi, Daddy.
Hey Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
Welcome to another episode of...
Cutting with Chloe.
Do you know what we're making today?
Sichuan.
Sichuan Dog. Today we're making Sichuan Green Beans. What do we need for this dish?
Some green beans.
Yeah, and where did these green beans come from?
From my garden.
Yeah, from Mommy's garden. Did you help pick them? Yeah.
And Mommy helped find them.
Yeah, she did. What's this?
Some pepperoni.
I'm gonna use pepperoni in this dish. Not traditionally something they use in Sichuan, but it works pretty well. But you can substitute out for ground pork or ground beef or chopped up chicken, or you could not use any meat at all. It's up to you. But we're also gonna need some
Garlic. And some ginger.
and some ginger.
Five spice.
5 spice, some Chinese 5 spice. Crushed red pepper, yep.
And some
Salt. We're gonna use a little bit of soybean paste
soy
and some soy sauce.
and some soy sauce.
And the last ingredient is called prickly ash. Yes, this is a pepper that they use in Sichuan cuisine. Sichuan cuisine is famous for its numbness and its spiciness. Yo ma, yo la. So here's our spiciness. And this pepper, it's just really interesting flavor. We're gonna use some of these peppercorns, and I also have some powder. I'm gonna use a little bit of each one of these. Now, you can find them in the description below, but you should be able to find them at an Asian grocery store. You ready to get started? All right, let's go.
Take your green beans and wash them. In a dish, mix 5 spice, crushed red pepper to taste, salt, and prickly ash powder. Mix it up. Mince razor cloves and garlic and 4 to 5 slices of ginger. Put it to the side. Cut your pepperoni into itsy teeny tiny pieces.
You want a piece of pepperoni?
Oh yeah. In a dish, mix about a teaspoon of soybean paste with water. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Put oil in a pan and add some prickly ash pepper. Remove the peppers. Then add your pepperoni, ginger, and garlic. Add the soy sauce mixture, then set it to the side. In another pan, heat 2 cups of oil and add your green beans. Mix often so they cook evenly. Once the green beans are cooked, add them to the other pan and mix it up. Add your powder mixer and mix it up. It's ready.
You ready to try?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Really? What? Pepper's coming with me.
Oh, there you go.
This is rough.
That is a lot.
I don't want it all in mine.
Oh, it's okay. You'll eat it. Oh, try it. Tell everybody what you think.
There's too much for me. It don't get on the floor. 这个很大吗？
Is it good? Awesome. Well, you want to tell everybody thank you? It's just the end of the green bean. Say thanks to everybody.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.